Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Yahoo Mail includes a built-in calendar to help you organize your schedule. To find it, log into your Yahoo account. Look for the calendar icon in the top right corner. Click this icon to open the full calendar view. You can change your view to see a single day, a week, or the month. To create a new event, click the blue Create Event button. You can also simply click on a specific time slot. A window will pop up where you can type the event title. You should also add the location and set the times. If the event happens every week, use the repeat option to save time. You can set reminders to get a notification before the event starts. Yahoo allows you to choose between a desktop notification or an email alert. To stay organized, you can create multiple calendars for work, home, or school. Each one can have its own color so you can tell them apart quickly. If you have appointments in another app, use the import feature to bring them into Yahoo. You can also share your calendar with friends or family. Click the settings gear next to the calendar name to do this. This lets others see when you are busy or free. Managing your time is easy once you master these basic tools. Remember to save every change you make to keep your schedule accurate. You can access this calendar on your computer or through the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. Keeping everything in one place ensures you never miss an important meeting or appointment again.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.